Let us start with virtual LAN. Virtual LAN is a logical grouping of single broadcast domain. So single broadcast domain can be divided into multiple broadcast domain, and that multiple broadcast domain is called as logical grouping or VLAN. Basically, these VLANs are required to provide a security at layer 2, that is data link layer. Now, what is a single broadcast domain? When we focus on this network, we have multiple computers which are connected to a single Cisco switch. So this single Cisco switch will generate single broadcast domain. So single broadcast domain for a network that we have taken, that is 10.0.0.0. So basically switches works in a single network. When we connect multiple computers to the switches, they will communicate to each other within that network. So we have taken the network, this network, so it will assign IP address between this network, that is 10.0.0.1 to up to 10.0.0.254. So we have assigned concern host addresses to that machines, that is IP address of this machine is 10.0.0.1 up to we have 10.0.0.6. so switch is of 24 port. These are the 24 port we have seen. Now every machine in this network will communicate to each other. Let us see with the help of practical. We are pinging from 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0.6. so these are pinging. We are pinging from 0.1 to 0.6. we will ping 0.5 also from 0.1, ping 10.0.0.5 or to any machine. So they are pinging. That means every machine in this network are pinging to each other. But it's not a good practice when we configure this network on a particular organization or company, because company having their different department, and the data in that department should not communicate with another department. So data is very confidential, that's why we need to maintain security. So here VLAN is required, or we need to create group of machine, and that machines are connected to a switch. We have created the group of 2 machines and give the name of department HR, another 2 group of machines and give the name of admin, and another group of 2 machines, that is department development. So every group or VLAN we have assigned VLAN number also. So VLAN number 101, 102 and 103. So every groups having VLAN number unique, right, that we have provided. Now the range of VLAN number is between 1 to 1005, right. So we will see here where the range of VLAN number, enable, config, terminal and VLAN question mark. So range of VLAN number between 1005. Another command we have, that is do show VLAN. Now when we pack piece of Cisco switch, already VLAN number 1, 1002, 1003, 1004 and 1005 already configured on that switch, right. So we don't require these VLAN number while configuring another VLANs. So exclude these VLAN number. Now focus on VLAN number 1. So VLAN number 1 having all the ports of the switch. So we have 24 port of switch, and these all ports are included into VLAN number 1, that is called as native VLAN. Now we need to create another VLAN, and we need to provide ports to that VLANs, right. So we will see later. Now types of VLAN, there are 2 types of VLAN, that is static VLAN and dynamic VLAN. So static VLAN is very easy to use. It provides good security. Also we can assign ports to VLAN manually. But dynamic VLAN is not easy to use. It's a complex one and not providing good security also, and we need to assign automatically port to the VLAN. So mostly static VLANs are recommended to provide security in the network. Now let us see static VLAN. In static VLAN, it's a port based VLAN. We need to assign port on switch to VLAN manually directly. One port can be a member of only one VLAN, so we can assign multiple ports to one VLAN also. It's a very easy to use, maintains good security. Now how to create a static VLAN? Let us see with the help of practical. Go to CLI mode of switch again, and in this diagram we have created 3 VLAN, that is 101, 102 and 103. As per this diagram we will create the VLANs. So let us see, we will create the VLAN. Now how to create VLAN? VLAN 101, name that VLAN HR. VLAN 102, name that VLAN admin. VLAN 103, and name that VLAN development. Right, now check whether these VLANs are created or not. Do show VLAN. See here, these 3 VLANs are created over here. 101 development, these are active, but we have not provided the ports of switch to that VLAN. Now how to assign the ports of that switch to VLAN, we will see here. Now modes of port, that is there are 2 types of modes of port, access mode and trunk mode. So access mode when we apply, so basically access modes are applied on a single switch to assign ports to the VLAN, right? So see here, we need to discuss about single switch, and see the VLAN number 101 having the, we need to add port FS01 to VLAN number 101, we need to add FS02 to VLAN number 101, another port that is switch port, that is FS003 to VLAN number 102, and FS04 port to VLAN number 102 also, and FS05 and 06 we need to assign to VLAN number 103. So as per this we need to assign these port to respective VLANs. Now how to assign these respective port to VLAN? Go select those interface, that is FS0/1, and write a command switch port access VLAN 101. Right, once we add this command, the FS01, this port will assign to VLAN 101, right? So interface FS02 goes to switch port access 101. So interface range FS03 0/port and 6 goes to FS03. And check whether these interfaces are assigned to respective VLAN or not. These ports are assigned to respective VLAN. Now see, they are pinging or not. Now from 101 ping 103. Not pinging. That means every machine not pinging to each. That means machine of VLAN 101 not communicating with machine of VLAN 103. That is our target. So let us discuss another mode, that is trunk mode, in next video. Thank you.